안녕하세요, 에리스 키친 친구분들. Today I want to show you how to prepare another entire Korean meal in one video with rice, soup, and different side dishes. I will call it 에리의 세 번째 집밥, which means Eddie's home-cooked meal number 3. Please watch this video to the end, like it, and subscribe to my channel. First, we will make a stir-fried hot dog and cabbage side dish called 소세지 양배추 볶음 in Korean. Cut the hot dogs, sausage into half-inch slices, and cut the cabbage, 양배추, and the onion, 양파, into similar-sized pieces as the hot dogs. In a heated non-stick pan, add the cooking oil, 식용유, and the hot dogs. Fry them for about 3 minutes on medium-high. After 3 minutes, add the chopped vegetables. Then add the oyster sauce, 굴소스. This is the oyster sauce brand I like because it is delicious and very convenient to use for cooking. Fry for about 7 minutes or until the cabbage is cooked as much as you desire. After 7 minutes, sprinkle the black sesame seed, 검은 깨, on top of everything and it is done. You can store this in your refrigerator and enjoy it cold for your daily meal. Okay, let's move on to the second side dish made with oyster and radish. It is called 굴 무생채 in Korean. Finely cut the Korean radish, 무, into about 3-inch thin strips. Put the radish into a mixing bowl and add the salt, 소금, and the sugar, 설탕. Mix it gently and set it aside for about 10 minutes to get a nicely seasoned radish. Meanwhile, prepare the rest of the ingredients. So, gently rinse the fresh oyster, 굴, in cold water and drain out the water. We also need to finely cut the green onion and red hot pepper, 홍고추. After 10 minutes, you can see some liquid came out of the radish like this. So, take the radish out of the bowl and gently squeeze it to remove the extra liquid. Put the radish into a mixing bowl and season it with the hot pepper powder, 고춧가루, the minced garlic, 다진 마늘, and the fish sauce, 액젓. Mix it all together. Since the oyster is soft and you do not want to mash it, we're seasoning the radish first. Now, add the oyster, green onion, and red hot pepper. Mix everything gently one more time. For the final touch, sprinkle the sesame seed, 참깨, on top. I recommend you to eat this immediately within 1 or 2 meals since it has fresh oysters. The last side dish for today is a pan-fried sweet potato side called 고구마전 in Korean. Add the Korean frying mix, the all-purpose flour, 밀가루, and the salt in a mixing bowl. Mix it all together. These are the Korean frying mix, 튀김가루, and the Korean pancake mix, 부침가루 that I normally use. You can use 1 cup of each of them or just use normal wheat flour for this recipe. Pour the water, 물, into the flour and mix it well. The consistency of the batter should be like this. Peel the sweet potatoes, 고구마, and slice them into 1/4-inch slices. You will get about 3 dozen sweet potato pieces. Put all the sweet potato slices in the batter. Then completely cover each piece of sweet potato with the batter. Place it on a heated non-stick pan with a generous amount of cooking oil and use the same process for the other sweet potato pieces. Fry each side for about 5 minutes on medium and you can see this golden brown color of this Jeon. After 10 minutes, the sweet potatoes will be well done. To check, you can poke the center of the sweet potato with a chopstick, 젓가락, or a fork. These are already seasoned well enough, so you do not need any dipping sauce. Just serve them as a snack or as a side dish. Since we are done with the side dishes, it is time to cook a delicious radish and beef soup called 매운 소고기 묵국 in Korean. So, cut the peeled Korean radish into thin pieces like this. We also need to cut the green onions, pa, into 2-inch pieces. Chop the beef, 소고기, into small chunks. Any cut of beef for soup would be good, such as brisket. In a heated pot, add the sesame oil, 참기름. Then add the Korean radish and the beef and quickly fry it for about 30 seconds on medium-high. Season it with the hot pepper powder and the soup soy sauce, 국간장. Fry it for about 3 minutes on medium-high. After 3 minutes, pour the water or broth such as vegetable, beef, or anchovy broth in it. Once the broth starts to boil, add the minced garlic and cook it for about 10 minutes on medium-high. After 10 minutes, add the green onions. Then taste it and season the soup with the salt and black pepper, 후추. Cook for about 3 more minutes on high, and when the radish becomes nice and soft like this, when you poke it with a fork or chopstick, it is done. Serve it hot with rice and other Korean side dishes, then you will not regret your choice. Now everything is done cooking, so let's assemble the dinner table. Oh wait, we cannot skip freshly cooked rice like this and well-fermented kimchi for the Korean meal, right? So here we go, it is really ready to serve now. Place all the Korean side dishes in any order as you please. Then, put the rice on the left and the soup on the right. Finally, place the spoon, 숟가락, and the chopsticks next to the soup.
It looks scrumptious. 맛있겠다.
Try this delicious Korean JibBap someday, and if you do, take some pictures and share it with me on Facebook or Instagram. I love to see your food pictures. Thank you for watching. See you soon again. Bye.